let's get down to Vallejo and see if we can't check out this abandoned ferry today. Now, a few weeks ago, I was actually down on Mare Island droning a graveyard, a pretty cool military graveyard. And I try to take advantage of the situation and fly across the water, as you're looking at now, to take a look at this ferry. And I got a high wind alert, so my drone almost blew into the Napa River, so I had to turn around. Attempt one to get down to that ferry failed. Let's just say there was some sketchy stuff going on down there that we don't need to be putting on camera. They didn't seem like the droning community type. I'm gonna try it from across the water. I'm gonna see if I can drone from over the water out of gun range. Now, Mare Island is a decommissioned naval base. Actually, when I was growing up in this town, this was an active naval base. So I've only been over here once or twice. But I'm pretty sure that we'll be able to find that ferry from this side, fly over, and maybe see some cool spots while we're over here too. This is, or was, the Grand Romance Riverboat. According to the Vallejo Times-Herald, the Grand Romance came from Long Beach. While in Long Beach, the Grand Romance would cater dinners and murder mysteries. The owner of the Grand Romance had hopes of doing the same here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Unfortunately, as you can see, the Grand Romance has suffered a lot of vandalism and neglect. Well, it took a little longer, and I had to fly a little further than expected, but we got the shots. Thanks for watching.